Hey everyone, it's the first installment of Monday Mortgage Mythbusters. I'm Greg Anderson with Caliber Home Loans, and I hear a lot of people talking about how they need to have 20% or 10% to put down to buy a home. That is just patently false. It's not true. Yes, there are some additional costs like mortgage insurance that are in place if you don't put 20% down for most loan programs. However, that mortgage insurance premium is not nearly as expensive as a lot of folks think when they're talking to me. So what I would tell you is, even if you don't have any money to put down, it's still worth having a conversation with Team Anderson. We can direct you in what you need to do as far as, can you qualify for a down payment assistance program or a zero down loan program, or do we need to put you on a savings plan so we can get you ready to buy, say, in the next 6 months to a year. It's never too early to talk to a lender and get your plan set up, because when you do find that dream home, you want to be ready to go. So again, I'm Greg Anderson with Team Anderson at Caliber Home Loans. We can be reached at 425-765-3115, or you can always reach out via email at team.anderson@caliberhomeloans.com. We look forward to talking to you soon.